Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. If you are seeking to transform your living space with a touch of creativity and personal flair, delve into the world of amazing DIY do-it-yourself furniture ideas. Crafted with ingenuity and passion, these projects provided an exceptional way to infuse your home with unique and personalized pieces that reflect your style and taste. From repurposing old wooden pallets into trending and functional coffee tables, to transforming vintage suitcases into charming nightstand, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your inner craftsman or craftswoman and experiment with various materials and techniques to build one of a kind bookshelves, cookery side tables, and eye catching wall mounted shelves. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting, these remarkable furniture ideas will not only add character to your home but also provide a profound sense of fulfillment in creating something truly extraordinary with your own hands. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and embark on a journey of imagination and resourcefulness as you breathe life into your living spaces with this amazing DIY, do it yourself furniture and endeavors. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.